How to add message to bookmark on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add message to bookmark on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on any chat you want, and here let's add this word. Just hold on it and then click this one here, add bookmark. And now let's see the bookmarks. Let's go here and then here, and as you see this message has been added to bookmarks. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.